As you can see here, I got some wire loom to cover up all the aftermarket wiring I've done on my truck. As you guys just saw, I did add some LED mirror lights. You just saw the real cool cinematics, but I added those. Obviously same on the other side. But the only problem is I didn't know how to get this boot off, or whatever you call this cover right here. So it comes from the mirror, obviously. It came out behind the door panel, and I said screw it and just ran it right through the door panel, door jamb, because it's going to the engine bay. There's no access port anywhere to get into the engine bay underneath the dash. These lights right here, all the wiring is ran all up under this trim to one of the drain ports inside here, and it comes all the way back down from the frame and all the way back into the engine bay. For these, I didn't want to do that, so I just ran them through the door jamb, and I didn't like how the wires looked, so I got this 1/4-inch wire loom off Amazon, and I think this looks 100 times better. It looks closer to a factory look, and I like it. So done with this side. I'm probably going to try to wrap some electrical tape around this so you don't see the red. I could pull this up higher, but I'm afraid it's going to get in the way of the seal right here, so I like to keep it past this little rounded edge right here on the door. So that'll work. It's ran as far as you can see. You don't see any exposed wires. I'm going to go ahead and get the other side knocked out, and not today, but hopefully tomorrow I'll try to get all the wiring up under the hood for these lights knocked out as well. Alright, we are done with the wire loom. I got the hood light wires all wire loomed up except for the stuff that's already protected. And obviously that's the little edge pieces, which I'm not worried about. It's all tucked away in quite nice. Same with the other side. Only thing I haven't done yet is get these done right here, because I can't really reach in there and I need a bigger diameter wire loom.